Welcome in, everybody, and happy Monday. Today we are going to unbox a package from the Bearded Fox Beard Company. So if you're into unboxings, reviews, taking care of your facial fur, your man mane, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell to get started. And we're going to open up this package right now. Alright, so I have a couple different packages here from the Bearded Fox. You can see I got an envelope package, I got a box package with their cool little logo on it, and you flip it around and there's another cool little logo. So that's pretty awesome. We're going to open these up and show you what's inside, give you my first impressions, and then we're going to spend all week long with the Bearded Fox. I'm going to chit-chat with them, get some info for you, hopefully a discount code, and we're going to have it all for you Friday. So let's dig into this, and first and foremost, I need some sort of device to get into these boxes. You know I have trouble getting into these boxes, right? So I'm going to grab this knife right here. I have it here. I was prepared on this Monday morning. You know, the coffee kicked in bright and early today. The first one we're going to open is this box. I've had this for a little while here. I believe it's his last scent releases. So we're going to dig this one open and see what's inside here. So first and foremost, I got to figure out how to cut this thing open. Just cut along the lines, they say. Cut along the lines, they say. And it works. Don't cut towards yourself, they say. But I still do anyway. I'm a rebel, what do I say? Alright, so we're digging this open here. And the first thing that we get in this box here is a Bearded Fox sticker. And this thing is huge. This is awesome. Look at this thing. Good grief. This thing is gigantic. It's bigger than my hand. Well, almost, anyway. And then, what do we see in here? But we see some awesome packaging, it looks like. It looks like some awesome packaging. So we have some Aubrey chores. Let's just get these out of here. Get these out of here. If you don't know what we do, we throw them on the ground. We save them for my daughter to clean up, and she earns a quarter or a dollar, or I don't know. Is a quarter still a thing, or should it be like $1 nowadays? I don't know. And then we're going to pull this out. So we have this box right here. We have a cardboard box, and this box has the logo stamped on it. That's a pretty nice looking box here, and I actually really like this presentation so far. Let's pop this open and see what we have. We have more Aubrey chores in here, and then we have a balm, it looks like. So I'm going to grab this balm out, and here we go. Take a look. I'm just going to set it down here and go on to the next thing, which is another box, which presents us with another balm. Set that one down. And then we have these boxes. So you got the Bearded Fox logo on this cardboard box. This is going to be a beard oil, is my guess. Let's just open it up. We'll pull this out here. So you have a bubble wrapped beard oil. Alright, so you got a bubble wrapped beard oil. And I'm just going to take this out, show you the label up here. Look at the design that they put on this. Their labels are amazing. So you have a purple label here, and it is Return of the Mac. It's a 1 ounce oil with an amber bottle. And then you roll it around here, and you got the ingredients on a white label on the back. This also does tell you what's in here. It's oud 3 ways with lavender and amber, it says. So pretty cool label design on that. And we'll just grab another one out of the box here and take a look. Same box style. I really enjoy this unboxing presentation that he has with these boxes. It's just something unique. It feels high-end, and it keeps them safer in transition. So this one's called the One-Eyed Woodsmith. Again, as you can see here, you have that same label and design, but different color, different ingredients and theme of it. Pretty cool. I like these colors. I like the label. And if you notice on this one, it's One-Eyed Woodsmith. The fox has got an eye patch on his eye. He's got an eye patch. Cool little intricate details like that kind of get me excited. I like the little intricate stuff. So here we go with another beard oil, and this one here is called Scumbag Boogie. Scumbag Boogie. So again, look at the label. You got a different label design here. Pretty awesome. And then we're going to go with the last one here. Last one. And this one is called Halfway to Coming. And I believe Cumming is a town in Iowa. So here you go with that. You got the yellow label there. So according to this, you got caprylic triglyceride. Oh man, he uses all the scientific terms for the oils in here. If my science is doing me right, that is coconut oil. Tocopherol. Tocopherol. I love saying that word, tocopherol. So I got 4 oils. I got another balm in here, and we're gonna get the snifferoo warmed up here in a second. We're gonna get the snifferoo. Hold your horses. We're gonna get the snifferoo going. I just want to get all these out of these boxes here. So I got 4 scents in this box. They all match the oils. So let's just start with the first one. We're gonna go with Halfway to Coming. Halfway to Coming is the first one we're gonna take a snifferoo of. Moscow Mules and Minty Mojitos. Mojitos. So we give it a shakeroo. Now we're going to give it the old sniffer. Oh, wow. Wow, I get mojitos out of that right away. This is awesome. This smells just like a mojito to me. Now let's set this one down and let's grab the balm that matches with it. And I just want to see the balms real quick here. Do they match the scent of the oil on my first impression? So you have a white balm here. Can't really press my finger into it. I can slide it on there, but I can't press, so this is probably going to be a higher hold balm. And when I smell it, I get a little bit of the balm itself and the natural carrier oils and wax, but I still get that mojito scent. It's a little bit weaker than the oil. Definitely not as strong as the oil. So we got that one. That's Halfway to Coming, and that one is pretty darn good. So the next one we have is Scumbag Boogie, which is barbershop and bay rum. So let's give it a shaker. Let's get the snifferoo. Already. Wow. Okay. So I don't really get much bay rum out of it. I do get a barbershop type scent. I've never really been to a barbershop, but it kind of reminds me of what they clean the combs with when you go get your hair cut. I kind of like that. Different take on barbershop, in my opinion. I pretty much get the same scent with the balm. Again, not as strong as the oil. Not as strong as the oil, but pretty much the same scent. Then let's go with One-Eyed Woodsmith. It's a woodsmith with only one eye. He's got an eye patch on. This is silver birch, cedar, and sandalwood, and pine. We're going to shake it up. This could be scary. I'm not a woodsy scent guy, so this could get a little sketchy. Oh, this is a different type of woodsy. This is not overpowering at all. I will actually wear this. This doesn't seem overpowering on the pine or the sandalwood. Seems to match up pretty well together. So let's check out the balm here. You got a 2-ounce balm. You got some nice labels on it. The same normal Bearded Fox label. I tend to like it. I think it's pretty unique. Again, same scenario. Not as strong as the oil, but that's all right. That's all right. So let's shake up this one, and this is Return of the Mac. I've heard great things about this. Oud 3 Ways, lavender, amber. I do love me some amber. I'm not a huge lavender fan, so let's see if the lavender is overpowering. Oh, okay, so this is sweet. The amber probably gives it some sweetness. There's a little bit of lavender. I can get the lavender out of it for sure. But the oud isn't overpowering either. This is a really sweet oud. I'm excited to get that in the beard and see how it goes. I might just wear that today because I want to see how that sweetness, if it wears off or if it sticks around. That's a pretty sweet oud in my opinion. Now the balm is not as sweet. I'm not getting the sweetness out of the balm. I'm getting more of the oud out of the balm. So there we have package number 1. I got 4 scents. Now let's dig into package number 2. I got the manila envelope here with the Bearded Fox right on it. And this one is some scents that he just released. So we're going to slice this open. And I'm going to dig in here and see what we have for you guys because I'm pretty excited. Aubrey Chores. And then we got this bubble wrapped cube. This looks illegal, but I promise you it's not. It's not illegal. If you watch police shows, you're probably like, what has he got there, a kilo? I'm just kidding. That's my comedy driving up here. So let's get through this childproof bubble wrap. You know I struggle with this tape and this bubble wrap stuff. It's like a maze. I swear they're not supposed to be this much of a struggle. Still over here working on this. It's like a mean Christmas present when your parents wrap up your Christmas presents way too much and you gotta sit there and try to get it open. Alright, I got something out. I got something out. Here we go. Here we go. This one is Sweet Hangover. Look at that. You got the red label. Sweet Hangover. Does the fox look drunk? Oh, he does look drunk. Look at his eyes. His eyes are like X'd out. He's like, I don't know what is going on here. I don't know what's going on. So this is apple pie and moonshine. I love apple pie. Never had moonshine, but I know what it smells like. So let's see here. Apple pie and moonshine. Holy moly. This is just a good apple pie scent. But you got a little bit of that moonshine-ish, alcoholish scent to follow up. But this is a nice apple pie. This is like cinnamon glazed apples in a pie form. I like that. So let's just grab the balm here that goes with it. So here you can see the balm that goes with it. Let's just open this up. Again, same scenario, not as strong. I'm gathering that the balms just aren't nearly as strong as the oils in the scent duration or the scent strength, but that's okay. That's okay. Here you have a black label with a purple. This one looks awesome. This one looks really good. I really like this. All the bottles are amber. This is a Plum Smuggler, it's called. It's plum brandy, cocoa balla, chocolate, roasted fig. Fig is becoming something. So let's shake it up, get the sniffer ready. We're going to give it a big ol' snifferoo. Oh, wow. This is a sweet plum fig scent. I don't really get much chocolate out of it. This is just amazing. Wow, I like this. I have some amazing scents from Bearded Fox. I'm kind of regretting not trying them sooner. Here you can go. You can see the oil if you care about that type of stuff. You got it right there. Let's grab the balm here. We're going to give this the sniff test. Same thing. Can't really say much about it. Let's see how hard this is to come out here. So I got it out pretty easy. Again, I can't really push into it with my finger, but I got it out with my nail really easy, and it emulsifies really nice. The smell comes out of the balm a lot more when you get it in your hand and warm it up. So get it in your hand and warm it up. It comes out a lot more. That is really good stuff. So based on the packaging, the unboxing experience was quite well. I don't know. The first box had, they were in cardboard sleeves. The second box, they were just wrapped up in bubble wrap. So I'm going to have to check with him to see if the cardboard boxes are a done deal, they're not happening anymore, or if it was just the way that the order happened. I'll find out for you guys. I'll sit on the phone with him and I'll ask him some questions. So comment below if you have any questions for the Bearded Fox. I'll gather them all together and I will ask him straight up and have answers for you on Friday. So that's your goal. Comment below what questions you might have for the one and only Bearded Fox. So based on everything that I know, I'm coming in with an initial FRS rating today for the Bearded Fox at 8.0. So I'm going to wear it all week long. I'm going to come back to you guys on Friday, give you the review, give the oils an FRS score, the balms an FRS score, and I'm going to update the whole FRS to give them a final FRS rating for the week. That's going to go in with all my other companies that I've reviewed, and we're going to be able to rank them out at the end of the year to see where they come in on the Faithful Ranker in what order. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scents to try out. I'm going to have to wear 2 a day or something. We're going to figure it out, but it's going to be fun. Come along for the ride this week. Leave a comment below if you have questions for the Bearded Fox. I'm going to ask them, and we're going to have a great week. So hit us up on Instagram. Follow us there. We're going to give updates there. Hit up the Bearded Fox on Instagram. And until I talk to you guys again soon, put something in your beard. Grab your coffee. You need that coffee to keep going throughout the day. Grab your bang. Stroke your Bearded Fox facial fur man mane. And God bless you all.